into deep areas, but I do not advise this. If you decide to do this, do it at your own risk. Next up, we have cuts. Cuts are the next identifiable beach structure that is very important. Cuts are exactly what they sound like, a cut or a gap on the sandbar. Cuts are one of the reasons why we have riptides, you know. Sandbars run parallel to the beach, a cut runs perpendicular to the beach. Cuts run between sandbars and cuts run across a sandbar. A cut can be identified by looking at the breaking waves on the sandbar, but here's how to find it. Here's a video also. Drive down the beach. If you see a breaking wave along the sandbar, but there's a sudden gap with no breaking waves on the breaker, that's a cut. You see, cuts are exceptional areas to fish on the beach. Predatory fish use these cuts to navigate from sandbar to sandbar. They also use this as an ambush point to attack weaker bait fish that are overpowered by the stronger current that is formed by a cut. Cuts are extremely dangerous, and this is where the majority of riptides occur. Predatory fish are usually swimming in the back end of the bars by the cut, ready to devour any bait fish that is being overpowered. That being said, this is how you fish a cut. If the cut is on the first sandbar, which is typically the closest sandbar to the beach, I typically